Thank you. It's a great honor to be here. I want to start with a survey of the industry. So this is a really exciting time, right? So we are witnessing a tectonic shift of the AI landscape, and it's moving very fast. We really don't have to look very far. Just look at like 3 to 4 years ago, that we already witnessed 3 major shifts. Of course, we started with November 2022, the ChatGPT moment, right? Right after the ChatGPT was launched, the app became the fastest to achieve 100 million monthly active users in just 2 months. People have witnessed the power of pre-training. People have witnessed the power of large language models to do language understanding and large-scale condensation of human knowledge. Then fast forward for 2 years, OpenAI released the A1 model, and we then realized the power of reasoning and logical reasoning and thinking. And shortly afterwards, the DeepSeek moment. So DeepSeek released the DeepSeek R1. So with these, people see that models are capable of deep thinking and logical reasoning, and they can do deep research, solving math problems, and generate new ideas. And fast forward 1 more year, in November 2025, we started seeing an explosion of so-called autonomous agents. For example, Cloud Code can do vibe coding, or the OpenClaw as your personal AI assistant. People seeing that agents can not only just doing simple question and answers, but can run hours to even days continuously to solve those problems. We believe the future of AI is a mesh of human and agents. Human and agents will work in harmony. There are a lot of things can change, and there are a lot of challenges, but we believe that's the direction. We've been hard at work to transform the whole technology stack at Alibaba Cloud. And we believe our tech stack is ready for this agentic era. Here are just some of the pieces of our technology landscape. First, the foundation models. Of course, we have our own foundation models represented by the Qwen family models. On the silicon side, we are leveraging a mix of CPU and GPUs in our own silicons to power training and inferencing. On the agentic cloud, we're transforming our cloud from cloud native to AI native, further to agentic native. And on the model services, we have spent a lot of effort for our model service to be scalable, secure, performant, and economical, so that can power both inferencing, reasoning, and agents. Of course, we are also building a lot of agentic apps that are covering AI coding, business operations, and creative and media. Due to the time constraints, I'm only talking about 3 things. One is the foundation models, the second is model services, the third is agentic cloud. Let's start with foundation models. Of course, people already know that our Qwen family models has become the de facto open source models among the developers. People love them. In 2 months ago, we released the Qwen 3.7 model family. It has upgraded capabilities across the board, including language understanding and generation, logical reasoning and computation, knowledge and common sense, instruction following, and alignment. We also significantly improve our capability on 2 fronts. One is tool use, the other is coding. These are the 2 cornerstones for agent use of large language models. On the tool use, we ranked number 3 on IT Bench AA. IT Bench is a new benchmark specifically designed to test how agent performs to handle real-world enterprise IT tasks. We are behind just behind Opus 4.7 and GPT 5.5. On the coding front, Qwen 3.7 Max ranked number 2 on the code arena, only behind Opus 4.7. Now talk about model services. Of course, Model Studio has also become a premium choice among the developers and the enterprises. On Model Studio, we offer not only the Alibaba models like Qwen and One, but we also offer popular models from DeepSeek, GLM, Kimi, and Minimax, and many more. We have also recently upgraded our capabilities, focusing on the reliability and availability aspects of our model service. This includes global deployments. We now have deployment in Singapore, Hong Kong, Japan, Europe, and the United States. We have many more regions coming out. We have also provided guarantees for the P95 long-term tail latency guarantee, and also 3 nines of availability guarantee. Last but not least, we provide end-to-end security guarantees. Now I will shift gear, talk about Agentic Cloud, right? So in the past 4 to 5 years, the world has pivoted from CPU-centric to GPU-centric. But with the explosion of agents, we're moving back. CPU is coming back. The reason is very obvious. It's not enough just to have the LLM as a brain to think. To actually have agents do real work, we needed to have the CPUs as well, right? So really, an Agentic Cloud consists 2 parts. The first part is AI native cloud, which supports model training and token production. The second is the agent-native cloud, which is necessary for us to deploy and run agents at a large scale, but also provide agents with the resources and the tools to run to complete the tasks. But it's not easy to make our cloud platform to be agent-friendly. The reason is very simple. The workload of agent tasks is fundamentally different from the workload what we see of cloud-based services. Here are 6 challenges outlined here. Number 1 is that the agent tasks will terminate upon task completion. So that means there will be a lot of short-lived tasks, ranging from hours to minutes or seconds, even sub-milliseconds. Right? And second is that the agent tasks require fine-grained security control, authentications, audit, and also require runtime isolation and data isolation. And third, massive agents and dynamic task calling, true calling, will lead to a very dynamic task graph, leading to difficulties in sort of task scheduling. And the fourth, for agents to do useful work, they need high quality, semantic reach, real-time data. Okay, that makes multi-tiered data storage management, multimodal data ingestions, session management, all very complicated. And the fifth, for agents that they need a very dynamic environment, which means they may have their unique set of packages, container images, network policies, and ephemeral storages. So that makes the runtime environment management also very complicated. The sixth challenge, so the peak of agent workload is very hard to predict. They can peak very fast in milliseconds. So in our cloud platform, we spend a lot of effort to address these issues. So we come up with 6 areas of solutions to handle this. Number 1 is governance. So we want to provide end-to-end observability, right? And also the tracking of the agent behaviors. We are making sure the agent behaviors are transparent, compliant, and also auditable. On the security front, we are providing multi-layers of defense and real-time guardrails for the agents so that we can protect the agent's identity, isolate the task execution, and also secure the sensitive enterprise data. The third solution area is orchestration. We're providing solutions for multi-agent or coordination and dynamic task workload scheduling. Right? This is built on top of our high throughput messaging system, API gateways, and the service mesh. The fourth area of the solutions is the data plan. We're providing real-time data pipelines, serverless ingestions, and a unified big data solution across structured and unstructured data. The fifth area of our solution is the runtime. We're empowering agents with a secure, isolated, instant scalable runtime environment that's tailor-made for those short-lived tasks and bursty workloads. Then finally, the memories. We have a lot of database products that equip the agents with vector, semantic, relational databases for their long-term memories, but also short-term context recalls. Now I want to shift the gear a little bit. I want to talk about something different. So one question that's in every senior executive's mind in this AI agentic era is that, how can I turn my AI investments into tangible competitive advantages and business values? We believe the core is what we call this AI growth flywheel. It contains two critical components. The first is the AI native organization. And this is the internal engine, okay? So the AI native organization will utilize the AI tools to automate as much as possible of all the workflows of the business functionalities, such as R&D efficiency, service optimizations, process streamlining, and all the daily work empowerment. With this AI native organization, naturally we'll see improve the productivity of the organization, which in turn will lead to high quality products at lower costs. Okay, these products, these particular AI native products, those organization makes, that will lead to the competitive advantage in the market, and that will lead to feedback coming back and further improve the AI native organization. In the next few slides, I want to give a few examples within Alibaba Cloud of this AI growth flywheel. First, these are some quick examples in terms of how to use AI to improve the workload efficiency. On the left side, it is a ticketing system. Our entire team has embraced the AI to turn from a manual processing model to a human AI collaboration model. So 40% of tickets are now handled by AI. On the right side, everyone probably is familiar with. Almost every engineer in Alibaba Cloud are embracing agentic coding. We are also go further to integrate AI in our work life with this. Oh, there's sound. With this new productivity suite of tools called Coder. This video here shows how Coder enables one engineer to drive the whole software engineering process end to end, right? Coder is not only capable of doing coding, it also can help users with tasks like status reporting, document writing, problem diagnosis, and even operations. Now I want to shift to look at the external engine. Our technology and services accelerate product innovation both for our customers and for ourselves. On the left side, what you see is that we have partnered with several robotics companies to put Qwen as a brain into the robots. And this particular case, it's a Unitree Robotics performed in 2020 Spring Festival Gala. As you can see, the agility and flexibility of the robots has way improved compared to 1 year ago. On the right side is the Qwen glasses. It is a smart glass. So it has built-in Qwen models, and it has become the best-selling smart glasses in China market. So user interact with smart glass with speech. And the AI is always there, right? So it can help users with tasks like navigation, comparison shopping, payment, etc. We are also redefining user experiences with agent-native products. In this specific case, is Alibaba's Qwen app. So with Qwen app, users can place orders of food and beverage in real time, and within the app, it will find the available coupons being applied and complete the payment. It's not easy to achieve this, right? So it requires deep integration of the Qwen app with several key service platforms within the Alibaba ecosystem, like Taobao, Alipay, Fleeky, and Amap. So the Qwen app intelligently coordinate the core service among these platforms and seamlessly move the user from intent to action. As a final example, our technology is also empower AI-native transformation for global sports organizations like Olympics. We have been the top partner of International Olympic Committee since 2018. In the 2026 Winter Olympics, we partner with IOC closely on quite a few AI-driven solutions. Here, I just quickly mention that we are providing a immersive, intelligent, and engaging experiences with several things, like the Olympic AI assistant, like the 360 replay system, like one exhibition bot to guide the users, guide the audience through the exhibition hall, and a AI video generation tool. We'll also help improve the efficiency and sustainability of the game operations. Toward that, we work with IOC on improving the broadcast efficiency with OBS Cloud. We are also helping them to optimize the traffic management. We also help them to monitor and manage energy uses. This concludes my talk. And in Alibaba Cloud, our mission is to turn every token into intelligence and actions. Thank you.